In this video, we will see how to install the FactoryTalk Logix Echo. So first, you need to download two files from the Rockwell website. That is part one and part two. That file, if you want to download this one, you need some serial code and product code. So once we have serial number and product code, you can download this two file. Then you can extract this two file by clicking on .exe file. It will extract and create one folder which is 3.00 Factory Talk Logix Echo DVD. So inside that you can click on the setup file and then start the installation. Now here you can just check installation customize and install. In the customize, it's just asking which one you want to install, all parameters or some location. So we will keep by default and click on install. And so here we'll accept the terms and condition and go ahead. Just wait for some installation file. Once it's installed, we can open and start a project. So our installation is done. So you can activate or you can skip the activation. So I will skip the activation right now and click on next. And it's just asking uh, close, and then we can click on the Logix Echo dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Here you can create, add chassis, add controllers, or by using the ACD file also you can done. So just click it here and browse your ACD file location where you have some ACD files, and then you can start your simulation. Or otherwise you can go into the add controller. Here manually you can add controller like compact logics, control logics, whatever you want to. So for example, control logics, then give the name ABCD, and then the version, whatever version you want to install. But normally for compact logics, you only add 36 version or above, and then IP address, if the dual IP address or single linear IP address. If you have dual IP address, you can configure dual IP address. And this one is the by default IP address, which is 127.0.0.1 is basic IP address which we will use for the configuration. So click it and it will create the controller. And so this one is our project, and here you can connect or disconnect the file, and here is remote or run. You can start run. So our controller is online now, and same you can use for your simulation in program. Thank you.